go.
Okay, Rocky, sit down for me. Sit down. Sit down.
Rocky got a gift? Rocky got a present?
Sit down.
Is that Rocky's present?
Okay, just here. Just take it. Just take it.
I would have
Is
made
that Rocky's
shit.
present? Is that Rocky's present? What's Rocky got? Oh, what's Rocky got? What you got, Rock?
No, yeah, can't seem to find it, does it? There. Oh,
There it is. What do you got, Rock?
He's so careful with the wrapping. I was going to destroy his gift.
Oh, Rocky got a squeaky toy? Oh, squeaky.
Is that your gift, Rock?
What squeak? Squeaky, Rock. Oh, he says that's great.
Look at that, Rock. You got squeaky. You got
Ever seen a dog open gifts like that?
Sit on.
You got squeaky, Rock.
Hey, Ryan.
Yeah.
This is here. Sit down. Oops. Here's the first one.
Sit
Okay, this is from me.
Alright, let's see what you got. For you? Just you or me too?
No, no, it's just for me because Ryan really wanted it.
Really wanted it?
Yeah, you really wanted it,
Oh,
so
it's
I got
gonna
it
be
for you.
something goofy. Something goofy. You open your mouth and think something goofy. Something goofy. I can know right now. What is it?
Underwear.
Oh, good.
Unravel it.
Underwear.
I don't know what the hell. I mean, what? But what is so...
What is that?
It's tidy, whitey, but not tidy.
Giant underwear.
Where did you get those from? Was that his gift? Don't think what you mean.
This is my gift.
That's what he wanted.
This wouldn't even fit me.
Hey, Mom.
It's a joke, Ryan. You said don't get me underwear.
Oh, I only hope they were
Don't get me
$1.99 or something.
It was a joke. It's like,
Well, I guess sometimes you can use underwear, but that won't even fit me.
that was a joke.
Bro, you could have me fake socks that fit me. Yeah, you wear it. No,
When are you getting
socks.
fat? When are you getting fat?
So he got socks and underwear for Christmas.
Alright. Alright, well, I need socks.
When you're getting fat, you
What
think
is
you
that?
save
Yeah,
them.
I need...
Let me stop filming.
What is it in there? Hope we got some cookies or something, candy.
Is that for me?
Yeah.
Really?
I think
Rocky's
it
pulling
was-
apart, Mark. Margot, Rocky's tearing it apart.
Okay.
What's this? A big one.
Benefit for you and Leah.
Rocky, don't tear the damn thing apart.
Oh, George Foreman grill.
Rocky!
Awesome.
Is that what you stood in line for?
Baby, Rocky.
I'm telling you.
Oh, wow. Cool.
You want to sit in line for the underwear? For the underwear.
Do you know how to use it, son?
Yeah, it's big person grill. I don't use it.
Did you get another shirt present?
Yeah, he's got another one here.
Whatever.
Oh, the girls are looking at each other, Margot.
Yeah, you totally jumped me out, and I made you my person to buy for me so I could get more.
Yeah, well, I bet they...
I did not pull names out of a hat. I randomly chose who got who.
Yeah, look at that. What the...
I got that. And I made the wrong decision because I got chipped.
Slow cooker?
No, Ryan, that, you got 100 something, Ryan, together. Didn't even come to 100 something.
You want a slow cooker?
I don't really. What does the slow cooker do?
You don't want a slow cooker?
What does
No.
slow cooker do?
Yeah. Well, you put it in. You put it in beef and
They're
stuff
fun
for it
gifts.
the night before.
Yeah, he doesn't need a
And
slow
then it goes
cooker.
all day, and then when you come home from work, all your food is ready, and you don't.
Ryan, trust me, you need stuff like this when you move out.
Yeah, like hell. We've never used a slow
You
cooker.
can get a book.
Take
you
it
can get
back.
Off the internet, recipes off the internet.
I've never.
Take it back,
asked for it.
Margot.
No, you didn't ask for it.
I have
Take
no
it
idea.
back.
I have no idea what I would do with slow cooker.
Well, you move out, then you can...
Lucky, what are you doing, hon?
What's it?
Yeah.
Are you ripping your present apart?
Awesome, because it's
Are you ripping it apart, hon?
Like, well, okay, well.
good.
Yeah, but nobody
Okay,
uses it.
so you go on the there's probably a book in here.